the Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. Once we depend on the Four Truths and the path with its 16 aspects, we must get totally rid of our emotional problems so that we progressively attain entry into the stream and other such states which are childish, wearisome, and meaningless. They say that once we use dependencies and connections as a cause for cessation, we will stop up the wheel of worldly existence. This is in contradiction to the significance of neither ceasing nor pursuing. They hold on to things like the significance of non-duality, and for 3 immeasurable eons they study the 10 stages, the 5 paths, and the perfections, while they maintain the dualistic conceptions of removing things and taking things on. They attain their own levels, but they do not make it to the end. They fail at what it means to be non-dual and self-luminescent. While the dominion of the Dharma is primordially one, they use taking in and holding on to a wisdom that rejects and accepts whether it is pure or it is impure, to attain Vajradhara and reach their final fruition. They do not understand the significance of omniscient, pure light. They do not understand the significance of secret wisdom. They have not acquired the empowerment of awareness, the royal investiture. While non-dual luminescence is solitary, they hold to 2 sides which they do not define. They maintain an understanding of desire and delusion as the only definite result of their desires. The non-duality of a duality is just the same. An anklet and a golden vase are not the same thing. Their value is uncertain, as is our profit. This obstructs the significance of luminescent wisdom. They use a progression of blessings, visions, central ceremonies, the development of mandalas, recitations, and shining samadhis, in their desire for the level of denser ray. They use conceptualizations to shadow the significance of self-luminosity. They use a cause to develop something that is self-occurring. They define wisdom according to the way of things, starting and finishing. This is in contradiction to the significance of self-appearing wisdom. They use the generation from the Maha-yoga, with a 4-part generation and perfection, to put things together.